Yo folks, thank you for joining me, Bruddah'd T, on this product review, guys. And one unusual one, first time for Bruddah'd T. I'm gonna promote guns, fighting. Oh, we got this product right here. I found this product on Wish. You can find the app in the App Store, iOS, Android. I've been shopping with Wish for a long time. And trust me, fam, if you're looking for something, there's a search bar there. Search it up, you're gonna find it. I found more knives on there, and let me tell you, I found other things too, and not the bad things, the good things. You get this product right here, full authentic polymer, everything pretty much. Got a nice thin grip too. This is the Beretta M9A3 full auto BlowBack, made by Umarex, guys. Licensed by Beretta. Oh, we got the gun. Check that out. Oh yes, sir. Beretta trademark, licensed by Beretta. Italy. We'll still get inside here, you know what I mean? You the manual radio. So that's an A+, guys, you know what I mean? Oh, yes sir. What else we got here? Oh, we got this. Another A+ right there, guys. Another A+, Airgun safety rules. Make sure you read this. Be safe, guys, out there. You know what I mean? Be safe. You buy this kind of stuff. It's not a toy. You know what I'm saying? It's not a toy, guys. Safety first. But they always said safety first. Be careful. Take precautions. You know what I'm saying? So you get all that. 80/16 in order. 16 in order. Yeah. Come with the added range for the CO2. On top of that, I mean, add that right there. Oh, that small thing right, a small added range. That is for poking inside. I will show you guys after. Okay, so you guys know what to get inside. All what you need in there. Hawaii. All the specs right here, guys. All right there. Yes, sir. Everything you need to know. So you got this, guys, right there. Licensed by Beretta. M9A3. Full polymer, full BlowBack. Put suppressor on top. If you like, just come off. Put on suppressor on top. So you get your safety right there. So you can hold this left hand and right hand. You know what I'm saying? Push this down. It's your safety. See? So it don't matter which side. No matter. So I found this on Wish. I'll leave the link in the description for you folks, guys. And I've been shopping on there for a long time, and I'll tell you right now, like I said, search what you're looking for. And they do sell generic stuff, so, and it said, I read it, 13 caliber 4.5 mm, 0.177 BBs, still BBs. This switch, I'll take out your, look at that, put some pressure, but drop out clip, everything. No more clip inside, I'll show you guys after. And then this, nice and thin. These are the grips. You got the Beretta trademark right there. Yes. A happy switch, guys. So you got to see your single shot and it's full auto. So semi-auto, full auto. Safety. You can take your slide off, eh? So this is where you take them off. You use this. There's a button. Press a button. Push this down. Hammer goes forward, and you take them off, just like that. Just like that. Check it out. 1 CO2, three clips, 2 single shots, and full auto after that. So there's 15 rounds left on full auto, and this is unbelievable. Oh, don't that look good? This is an airgun on CO2 though. Picatinny rail. I mean, this thing is me. You put flashlight over here, laser, whatever. Keep them oiled, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that stay good. You just slide them back on. Just gonna put this back on. Hold them back a little. Snap that up. There you go. And there you go. It's single action, double action, full auto. So this single action. Try this to the sound of that. Oh boy. Huh? Then double action. And you're ready for shoot again. Right? Oh boy. How look guys. Oh yes sir. Oh, I like the sound of that. Wow! Huh? Look at that. Unreal. Unreal, guys. This thing is on good weight too. What is the weight though? Yeah, weight. What is the weight? Right at the weight. 1.9 pounds, guys. The weight is awesome, guys. This right there. So you take off this full blowback. Only downfall is this right there. It's kind of high, so when you pull this back, this get in the way. You know what I mean? So, and this right there, he hold this light, just like that. When you shoot it, when the last baby come out, it should stay open like this. See what I'm saying? It's gonna stop. It's gonna stay like this when you shoot when the last baby come out. Check it out. Unbelievable. This is one nice thing here. On wish, guys. How's that? Oh boy. Here's a clip, guys. Yeah, this clip is heavy. Let me tell you right now. It's already inserted, 18 BBs, and like I said, that's why I use this right here. I use this for that right there. That thing, you gotta slide this down, and you're gonna load your BBs right here. Perfect. See? The BBs go right in there. You don't need to put them on front. You don't need to put them on top. But this right there, so you don't hurt all your fingernails. You know your fingernails. And remember, I bring these gloves for one reason, because it is very oily. So I stick them in. You know what I mean? I put them in and I push it. I push the thing down, the spring down with this, and then you got the thing turn and locks inside there. And you load the BBs inside there, and it goes up just like this. And this is some good weight. And CO2 goes right here. As you can see, there is one already. See CO2 right there. This is what this is for. You know what I'm saying? Your fingers off the trigger, but now still loaded, so you put them on safety, right? Right, safety first. Quick drop, release, yeah. Look at that. Wow. Unreal. Oh boy. Oh my gracious. So when you do that, put the safety on, don't forget it. so we get single shot. So we go try more, guys. I will show you. We go try more. Yeah, take a little bit too long, right? Go try more. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Good. Oh, that was wicked. Couple more, two more. We'll go try two more. All 3 shots went through the same hole. And one shot went right through the box, guys. We'll go take. Happy button, right there. Flick that thing up. And we in full auto mode. And guess what I noticed? No go all the way back. So we have them on. So the hammer should go back, stay locked back. And lock back. Perfect. How was that? Guys, I see the damage. That's damage, guys. We'll aim for the extra sweet over there. On the target. How's that? Yes, sir. You check so they get a pellet BB stuck inside right over there. Sometimes you gotta check this right here because they get a BB stuck inside. So check that. Make sure you unload your clip, okay? Because obviously your hammer will be back, so make sure you don't have that clip. You don't have to worry, and you can just let it go like that. I'm sweating the hell off in this room, but it's the only place I can be because I live in an apartment, you know what I mean. So I cannot go outside with this thing, you know what I mean. And yeah, we're gonna have a hell of a problem, guys, you know what I mean. M9A3 full auto blowback, guys, for wish.com. Full authentic, licensed by Beretta. It's exactly like the real thing, guys. The heaviness, everything, I mean. The clipping, and you feel that heaviness, that you feel that 1.9 pounds, let me tell you right now. Safety first, guys, never forget that. And don't never forget, brother, they told you to be safe out there. Drop that clip like that, not off. You drop that clip like that, you know what I mean. And this is unbelievable to me. If you're into CO2s, this is one of the best to get. And I'm gonna show you guys some more from Wish now, okay? So, disclaimers out there, and to folks that review on Wish, from Wish, this I can say. It's what they're not telling you, but Barady gonna tell you. Barady gonna tell you right here, right now, guys. Search what you're looking for. 99.9% of the time we'll have whatever, and I'll search everything, you know what I mean? But you get bushcraft knives, get Mara knives, get all kind, and he get this kind, guys, this kind. Yes, well worth it, guys. You know what I mean? Well worth the money. You know what I'm saying? There it is. I leave the link in the description if you purchase this from Wish. If you can, pick the express shipping. I got mine in 3 days. Bruddah'd not showing this for any people. You get invited. Get some more products coming inside. Some self-defense kind, you know what I mean? So we think in self-defense, but like I said, it's not for those to be getting crazy outside there. No, you know what I'm saying? This is a product review from Wish, guys. You guys all have fun. Have a great day, and bless all you folks, and thank you for all your support for Bruddah'd. Be very busy. I mean, products coming after products, and guess what? My phone stay off, so now I can upload nothing until I upload something, guys. So thank you guys for joining me, Bruddah'd, guys. God bless you all, and you guys all stay safe out there, my friends, guys. Aloha, guys.